Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to delete the Snap public profile. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So as you can see now, I am on the Snapchat app. So I have to go to my profile. So let's go to the left corner and just click on our icon, and then we appear on our profile. Then let's go to settings. You will find on the right corner, just go there, and then just scroll down. Okay, now we can see different options, and there is an option that says delete an account. So just click and delete account here, and you can select browser that you want to use. In this case I want to Chrome. Just wait a little bit until this is load, and when it appears about Snapchat, you can write here your username. In this case, let's put, for example, my username. Now that we wrote our password and username, we transfer to this page that says delete account. Just click there, and when you have to write your password again, okay, so remember that your account will be deactivated, which means friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat, and you also lose in chats you save and any snaps and chats you haven't opened. After 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. So you have to remember this. Just write your password and then continue, and in that way you will delete your Snapchat account without any problem. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.